Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the speaker problem in your device Vivo X Note or X Fold. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the speaker of the device, you can solve it by the methods I will tell you in this video. Before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve the speaker problem in your device. Let's watch the video.